Hey guys, it's Doodle Star, and today we're going to be drawing this adorable, super cute paint palette. And it has such a kawaii face. I love it. So, to begin, we're going to need a pencil and draw this interesting curvy shape that's going to be the palette all around. You want to connect it, make it smooth. And once you have the shape, we're good to move to the next step. However, if you're not there yet, just pause until you're ready. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe because I love making these videos with you and I hope you like watching them. I make a lot of interesting videos, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be making the hand hole. So what I mean by that is if you look at the top left corner, there's a circle, right? That's white. That's where your finger goes in. So I'm going to be drawing that same circle right here. So with your pencil, carefully draw a circle. Great, so now we're going to draw its adorable face. So with its eyes, go and make a circle here. Try to make it kind of big, not too big, but enough where you can see its eyes. Now making it a little bit bigger because I want to have big eyes. I think that's good. And then I'm going to go to the next eye here and just try to make the same size circle. Fill it in just like that. I'm going to take my pencil and make a cute mouth. We're gonna make a squiggly line. Basically, it looks like an upside down 3, like this, and make it like that. You see, it's so cute. It has like a cute pouty face. I love it. Making eyelashes here. Let's do one on this side as well, just like that. It has eyelashes, yay! Awesome! So now I'm going to either erase or use a white marker to make little circles in its eyes. Make it big and bright. These are beautiful, beautiful eyes. Could make another circle here. And then on the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing. Start making a bigger circle here. Great, and then a lower circle right here. Look, its eyes are so cute and kawaii. I love it. It's awesome. All right, now with your pencil, we're gonna make circles along the side, the top part of the palette like this. I'm going to make more of these circles, so right next to it, I'm gonna do the same thing, like that. And then another one right next to that one. So make a circle. One more. And I think actually I could fit another one right here. That would be good. So, great. We have 5 circles besides the finger hole. Okay, now we're going to do the diamonds next to it. So, I love sparkles. I love having anything exciting going around our masterpiece. So, with our pencil, make a line like that, connect it with this one, and then we bring it down like that, and then connect it with this part, and now we have a diamond shape. Great. Make a plus sign right here. I like to have this just because it's a little bit of different shapes in a circle. I think that's exciting, and a little one right there. Great. And then I think on the bottom part, I'm going to do the same thing. Make a big diamond. Let's do this beautiful shape together. And then we can connect it. Great. Make a plus shape like we did earlier. So kind of bring it down like this using your pencil. Let's also make that circle. So I'll make that circle right here. And I think that's good. Now I'm going to take my brown pencil and I'm going to color the outline first, like this. I'm going to go all around it, getting close to the line, not leaving it though. And we do this so when we actually color it, it's harder for us to make any mistakes. I want to go as close as possible to the line. And I do not want to go outside of our shape. There. Now we can just continue to go around here as well. And then around all of the little shapes inside. I don't want to be spilling any of this brown color anywhere else. So let's do this properly. This is so fun. I'm having so much fun with you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I love to share more with you. Almost all around it with this part as well. Okay, I think I can color in these little bits. I can do that carefully enough, so there we go. And I'm gonna outline the circle part of the eyes very carefully. I don't want any of my color to get into eyes either, so gotta do it on this side as well. And then great, now we can go crazy with our color. So however you want, just fill it in babies. Let's do this. Color it all in. Let's not leave a single bit white. We are doing this amazing art together and I am so proud of you guys. So proud. After this part, I'm going to get my red and I'm going to fill in the bottom circle. So with my red, let's color it in. Red is the color of love and roses and cherries. It's a beautiful color. Great. So next, orange. Orange, like the name itself, is like the color of an orange, but also like a carrot and also like a sunset. I really like orange. And let's see, I think I'm gonna do yellow next. So let's get this yellow. Yellow's not my favorite color, but yellow has its moments. Like I like filling in yellow for the stars and the diamonds right there, so I may do that as well. But let me get this green. Green is my favorite color. I think it's beautiful like it is in nature. I love trees, I love plants and stuff like that. If you want me to make a video on drawing like cactuses, I can. I love drawing anything nature related. So this last part, I'm filling it in with blue. Beautiful, you can see how it looks like a paint palette now. I'm going to do the diamond shape. So with my yellow, I'm going to be coloring in the top one first. So let's go and color it right here like that. Great. And then I'm going to color the bottom one as well. So I'm going to go here and just color it in. Just like that. We're almost done, you guys. We are almost done. I am so excited. I think I'm going to look for my blue color because I love blue as well. Oh my gosh, guess what? Yellow and blue makes green, aka my favorite color. No wonder it all makes sense. Ha ha ha. I'm going to take a pink color so I can make some blush on its cheeks. I think it'll look so adorable and we always need to have some blush on its cheeks. So with my pink, I'm going to make some flat looking ovals. So I'm going to be very careful right underneath the eyes and draw this shape. So like that. That looks great. And then on this side as well. That looks so cute. I already love it. Okay, I am so excited because now all we have to do is highlight. I'm going to take maybe a lighter brown, maybe a white, kind of like in between, or you could use yellow even if you want. And I'm going to make a line like this at the top, and then maybe a little small patch right here as well. And this is to kind of make it look shiny, like the light is hitting it. I'm also going to do one at the bottom part, so right here looks like a good spot. Oh yeah, you can see it already looks much shinier, right? Right? We're done! Oh, I love it so much. I am so happy we did this together. If you like my videos, please subscribe. It really helps me, and you can watch more with me together. So with that being said, thank you so much. And until then, bye!